I'll show you how to use two Wi-Fi connections at the same time on your Windows PC. Click on the Wi-Fi symbol in the lower right corner of the taskbar. If you're not already connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot, turn on Wi-Fi by clicking on the tile and then select your desired network to connect to. Keep in mind, private networks may require to enter a password before connecting. In order to use a second Wi-Fi connection, you'll need a USB Wi-Fi adapter. Take note of what types of ports you have available on your PC and pick an adapter accordingly. Then connect your Wi-Fi adapter to a USB port on your PC. Windows will automatically detect the device and, if necessary, attempt to install the proper drivers for it. If you're using an older version of Windows, you might be prompted to search for drivers and install them. In that case, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for best results. Then, click on the Wi-Fi symbol in the lower right corner of the taskbar. Because you now have multiple Wi-Fi adapters available, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top of the dialog. Select your USB Wi-Fi adapter and then pick your desired Wi-Fi network from the list and enter its password to connect. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify from our site at speedify.com. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWRT and powered by Speedify routers. So your internet just works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.